The father of the Indian nation, the holy book for all human beings. The father of the India, the holy book for all human beings. Mahatma Gandhi is the father of the Indian nation. He had followed the holy book Bhagavad Gita for all his lifetime. This Bhagavad Gita is the essence of all Vedas and Upanishads. One verse says as follows: Sarvopanishado Gavaha Dogdha Gopalanandanaha Partho Vatsa Sudhir Bhokta Dugdhang Gitamrutam Mahat. This verse is comparing one object to another. Sarvopanishado Gavaha. All Upanishads are compared to cows. Dogdha Gopalanandanaha. Dogdha means milkman. Here, the milkman is none other than Lord Sri Krishna. Partho Vatsaha Sudhihi Bhokta. Who is enjoying the milk is Partha, that is Arjuna. Dugdham Gitamrutam Mahat. Dugdham means milk, is the Bhagavad Gita only. Here, milk is the Bhagavad Gita. So, Bhagavad Gita is the essence of all Vedas and Upanishads. This Bhagavad Gita is divided into 18 parts. In Vedantic language, 18 is the symbol for victory. 18 is called Jayam. Jayam is victory. That means those who follow this holy book get victory when we are in this mundane world and also afterwards. This Bhagavad Gita divided into 18 parts. The chapters are as follows. The names of 18 chapters. Number 1, Arjuna Vishada Yogam. Arjuna Vishada Yogam. Number 2, Sankhya Yogam. Sankhya Yogam. Number 3, Karma Yogam. Karma Yogam. Number 4, Jnana Karma Sannyasa Yogam. Jnana Karma Sannyasa Yogam. Number 5, Karma Sannyasa Yogam. Fifth one is Karma Sannyasa Yogam. Sixth one, Atma Samyama Yogam. Sixth one is Atma Samyama Yogam. Seventh one, Jnana Vijnana Yogam. Jnana Vijnana Yogam. Eighth one is Akshara Brahma Yogam. Eighth one, Akshara Brahma Yogam. Ninth one is Rajavidya Rajaguhya Yogam. Ninth one, Rajavidya Rajaguhya Yogam. 10th one, Vibhuti Yogam. 10th, Vibhuti Yogam. 11th one, Vishwarupa Sandarshana Yogam. 11th one is Vishwarupa Sandarshana Yogam. 12th one, Bhakti Yogam. 12th one is Bhakti Yogam. 13th one, Kshetra క్షేత్రజ్ఞ విభాగ యోగం. 13th one is క్షేత్రజ్ఞ విభాగ యోగం. 14th one గుణత్రయ విభాగ యోగం. 14th one గుణత్రయ విభాగ యోగం. 15th one పురుషోత్తమ యోగం. 15th one పురుషోత్తమ యోగం. 16th one దైవాసుర సంపద్విభాగ యోగం. 16th one దైవాసుర సంపద్విభాగ యోగం. 17th one is శ్రద్ధాత్రయ విభాగ యోగం. 17th one శ్రద్ధాత్రయ విభాగ యోగం. 18th one is మోక్ష సన్యాస యోగం. 18th one మోక్ష సన్యాస యోగం. These are the 18 chapters of Bhagavad Gita. One miracle was also happened while Sri Krishna revealing Bhagavad Gita to Arjuna. At that moment, Lord Krishna showed his great universal form. The form is omnipotent, omnipresent, and omniscient. He showed that great form, that is universal form, that is Vishwarupa Sandarshanam. यत्र योगेश्वरः कृष्णो यत्र पार्थो धनुर्धरः तत्र श्रीः विजयो भूतिः ध्रुवा नीतिः मतिर्मम. Namaskaram to all.